Hi guys, we're finally back to our car, so we found time to make the last bit. I believe this is the last bit of our suspension retrofit. So we're doing M3 arms conversion. Together with the M3 arms, we will replace the steering rods and the stabilizer links, just to have this kind of picture finalized and done, because we already have new springs, new shocks, everything is new. So this is the last bit. Hopefully it will improve handling, so that's the only reason why I'm doing this. BMW is known for the nice handling, but I want the maximum what we can take from this car. So let's carry on and we'll see how it will goes and how we're gonna feel after. Okay guys, how you can see, we are back from wheel alignment. So as a final picture, what we have. We installed the arms and the steering rack rods and the stabilizer links. Because we done steering rack parts, our alignment was completely out of any normal numbers, so it was barely possible to drive the car. So we just manually adjusted somehow without any lasers, so just to survive until the Lee from FCM Motorsport, they book us in. Everything is alright, just bear in mind, if you will do the same upgrade, it will be a bit more difficult to do with the lower arm because the solid metal pushing inside. It will require some hammering, so make sure you have some rubber or plastic hammer for it. Now we have slight issue, so finally once everything is done, we have all mods which we wanted to perform with this suspension. Finally we touched the maximum of our tires, so now for some reason they start slightly rubbing at this point at some turnings. It's just a slide, but it don't make any sense because it never happened before, and to be honest, with a more negative camber the wheels should be more in and we need to have more room there, but it's for kind of opposite. So yeah, we have more camber than M3 because the car is lowered, so probably we get M3 camber already when we just lower it, and because we put even M3 arms, so now how you can see the paperwork, the screenshot before, we have even more camber like M3 or something like that. So basically I still have option with the tire to go one size less, so one size down, so it's 245/45, which is originally too big for this car. So hopefully I will go for 235/35 and it will help us to get rid of any rubbings, and I will be absolutely happy with the perfect fit of this car. So it was straightforward, but it wasn't so easy, mainly because I touched the steering rack and I completely kind of broke wheel alignment, and that's why it was more work than it required. If you will do just the arms, it probably will be easier, but yeah, with my wheel fitment, because it's M4 wheels, original M4 wheels, there's very tiny gap now, and probably will go to another tires. But the rest, I can feel improvement in the handling, and this was the main point, because the arms original, the standard one, and M3, they cost more or less the same money. So that's the reason why we did it, just improve the handling, and it works for us. We will figure out with the tires, and I can highly recommend. It's perfect fitment, even how it looks, and perfect handling for the street car. I'm pretty much happy. If you have any questions, just ask us in the comments down below, and cheers guys. Thanks for your support.